My name is Gordon. I'm semi-retired from my business and an adjunct professor at a local college. When I decided to sell my home, I knew I wanted to move to a 55-plus community. I wanted to find a place where I felt I fit in and would be comfortable. I found FountainGlen. The team is incredible. They're friendly and very responsive to my needs. I think my dog Ozzy and I have made some wonderful new friends. When there's a problem, it gets solved fast. When I'm not relaxing in my apartment, you'll usually find me in the clubhouse, always having a great time. I have made great friends at FountainGlen. They offer encouragement and great conversation. Maybe even a little friendly competition at the card table. The on-site library is one of my favorite places to take a break, have some coffee, catch up on my current book, or find a new one. These days I'm feeling pretty carefree. At FountainGlen, this is my time. My son really enjoys dropping in and catching up with me. I love the fact that the only thing he has to worry about is attempting to beat me in a poker game or pool. Good luck, kid. I always come back to the most important thing about my experience at FountainGlen: the relationships I have built and the relationships that are being built. I feel incredibly fortunate to have found my home at FountainGlen. When it comes to the people, the amenities, the adventures, I feel like I could go on and on. I truly believe that I've found that sense of community I was looking for.